Hi everyone, Kristen Brockman here, your trusted DFW realtor, and I came out to Wellington Estates. It's in North Fort Worth. It's also in Northwest ISD, which is a fantastic school district. And I came out here specifically to visit Hovnanian Homes. They are one of the few home builders in DFW that builds next gen homes. So, what is a next gen home? A next gen home is a multi generational home. It is a home that families of all generations can live under the same roof and live comfortably. So, there are two primary suites, and there's just so much room that you guys are not on top of each other. So I checked out their two-story. It is over 3,700 square feet. It is a 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath, has a loft, an office, and a media room, and a 3-car garage. And the price starts at $650. So if that's too much space for you, or maybe too much out of your budget, they do have a 1-story house, and it's over 2,800 square feet. It's 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, with a 3-car garage and an activity room and an office, all for 533. So great prices, beautiful homes, great quality homes in a fantastic school district. So let's check them out.